Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Shari. Today I will cover how to search file in Linux. Do you want to know how to search file in Linux? Just type find space iname then file name. So I am having file name. I am searching on to just click on this. So guys, you can check over here. You have found the file in and root test3 is available. If you want to check on your, if you are a user, you can type the name. Otherwise, if you the file in home directory, you can type find home then space I name and test. Suppose I am checking test and test and just enter. So guys, you can check over here. You have found the file in home directory. So guys, this is the process to find the file in Linux. Guys, if you are having any kind of doubts, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.